Good day everyone. Today we will discuss evaluation of acid-base condition using arterial blood gas or ABG. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to define what an ABG test is, identify the three ABG values, differentiate acidosis from alkalosis using ABG results, and lastly, determine whether an acid-base imbalance is respiratory or metabolic. So, what is arterial blood gas? Isa itong blood test na kinukuha sa artery, kadalasan sa may pulso. Sinusukat nito ang PaO2 or partial pressure of oxygen, PaCO2 o partial pressure of carbon dioxide, blood pH, at HCO3 o bicarbonate. Ginagamit ang test na ito para malaman kung balanse ang acid at base sa katawan, kung maayos ang pagana ng baga at kung maayos ang pagpapalit ng oxygen at carbon dioxide. Before we start interpreting ABG results, let's first memorize the normal values. The normal blood pH is 7.35 to 7.45. The normal PaCO2 is 35 to 45 millimeters of mercury. The normal HCO3 or bicarbonate is 22 to 26 milliequivalents per liter. We follow only 3 steps. First, identify if it is acidosis or alkalosis based on pH. Second, identify if it is respiratory or metabolic based on PaCO2 or HCO3. Third, check if it is compensated or uncompensated. For this example, pH is 7.30, so that is acidosis kasi mas mababa siya sa normal range. PaCO2 is above normal, so arrow up. While HCO3 is normal, so the diagnostic is respiratory acidosis. Basta lahat ng arrow up na acidosis at arrow down na alkalosis tapos nakatapat sa PaCO2 ay respiratory. Next example is pH is 7.55, so that is alkalosis kasi mas mataas kaysa normal range. PaCO2 is below normal, so arrow down. Sunod, HCO3 is normal, so the diagnostic is respiratory alkalosis. Ngayon naman, pH is 7.22, so acidosis kasi below sa normal range. PaCO2 is normal, tapos yung HCO3 is below normal, so arrow down. So, ang diagnostic is metabolic acidosis kasi lahat ng arrow up na alkalosis at arrow down na acidosis tapos nakatapat sa CHO3 ay metabolic. Ang example naman natin ngayon, pH is 7.52, so alkalosis kasi mas mataas sa normal range. PaCO2 is normal, HCO3 is above normal. So, ang diagnostic is metabolic alkalosis. Paano naman kung parehas PaCO2 and CHO3 are not normal, pero yung patient ay normal ang blood pH, or parehas ang PaCO2 and HCO3 na hindi normal, pati na din yung blood pH. For this example, pH is 7.30, so acidosis. PaCO2 is arrow up, HCO3 is arrow up. Dito, para malaman natin kung metabolic or respiratory, ay kailangan natin tingnan kung saan nakatapat yung acidosis na arrow up kasi parehas silang arrow up. Naging partially compensated naman siya kasi hindi normal ang blood pH. Ganon din dito sa example na to. Partially compensated siya kasi mas mataas sa normal range yung blood pH niya. Dito naman sa mga example na to, magiging normal na ang blood pH, kaya ang diagnostic na ay fully compensated. Nagiging uncompensated naman ang isang diagnosis kapag abnormal ang isang value at normal pa yung isa. Although wala tayong example nun, you can also try this at your home. Always remember that our body works hard to keep balance, just like how we learned today. Every part helps keep us stable. That's all, and thank you for listening.